do it, I did it, I does it, I pull up, I do it again. Yeah.
We're going bowling today. I'm about to go take me a shower. Doing off the makeup. Moochie taking a dunk.
I done.
You done? Okay. I'm now doing my makeup.
Peace out. Yeah.
You stupid bitch. Come, you wanna fight? You wanna fight myself? That's what my makeup is giving. Peep.
I do like woman. I do like woman. I don't know that. I do like woman. Yeah. I do like woman. Yeah.
She knocked out! Look at it! We here. Dang, we didn't cut it. You love the bed? Oh.
I know. I forgot all about the show all day. I didn't go.
I like the fact that they had different ball colors and different ball sizes and stuff. Ooh.
We're trying this one, man.
Got the size 9.
Yeah, my last one.
Oh, this is kind of big, but it's okay. But I'll do
Yeah, okay, we just sing. Okay. Yo, I swear.
Bro, at first I was winning, but all of a sudden my strong hawk looking ass auntie wanna be winning or whatever. Like what? I won the first round, Mafta won the second round. I lost all the rounds, but it's okay because I'm still a bad bitch. Huh? Yeah. We had to stop the car for her to piss. I swear to God, bro. She's pissing on the floor. She's pissing on the floor. She's pissing on the floor. Oh shit. Oh shit. Where? Damn, bitch. What, you got a whole river down there?
Yeah. Don't do that shit.
We just now coming in the house, bro. We had fun. My auntie done pissed outside. Look at her. Oh, that's my cousin, y'all. There go Mafta right here. Mafta.
I'm tired.
We still not going to sleep, y'all. We about to be up. Mafta got work tomorrow.